Alright guys, in today's video we are going to take a look at how to put any program to our startup folder inside Windows. So here's the scenario. When you turn on the computer, you want to automatically open the Google Chrome web browser. In order to do that, we have to put that program keyboard shortcut to our startup folder. To find the startup folder, you can press the Win key and R and you will get this run dialog box. Here you have to type the shell semicolon and startup. So this is the command that you should type in this run dialog box, and then you can click OK. It will open the Windows startup folder location. You can see this is the startup folder. So you can see I have already added some programs to my startup folder. By that way, I can automatically open these programs when I turn on the computer. So our case is we want to open the Google Chrome on Windows startup. So in order to do that, you can go to this here desktop and you can right click this Chrome icon and you can click on copy. Once you do that, then go back to the startup folder and right click here, and here you have to paste a shortcut. So once you do that, it will paste the Google Chrome shortcut to startup folder. Now we have done everything. Now next time when you turn on the computer, the Google Chrome web browser will be automatically opened after the startup. So that's how we put programs to startup. So this is really handy that we can automatically open programs after we turn on the computer. So we can increase the productivity using this tip. So I think this information will be really helpful for you, and I'll be back with the next video. Thanks.